on this special webinar. My name is Zilha Hasnan Kazmi, and today people have joined us from across the globe. So there are not too much people, but I can see that many participants are from the USA and Italy, and Kenya, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, and from other African countries. And yes, also a few attendees from Malaysia, Taiwan, Vietnam, and the Philippines, and from many other places too. Thank you all once again for joining this important session today. Mr. Asif Nazir and I did the last session on Bucks Coin subject almost 8 months ago. Since then, we have done a lot of webinars in English and other languages. We have conducted excellent information sessions on Forex trading, Moyo, and about other utilities of Bucks Coin. Because there was a lockdown all over the world, so working online was the only way to keep pursuing our goal to introduce the world with Bucks Coin and Moyo. There were travel restrictions and we could not go anywhere. Even so, we continued online sessions and chanted Bucks Coin slogans in the Middle East and the Far East. We conducted webinars for the Malaysian market, in the Philippines, and in South Korea as well. Then we attempted the post-Soviet states and got connections in Forex and crypto communities in Azerbaijan, Belarus, and Georgia. It's a matter of pride for us that even this difficult time of the virus, we have marketed Bucks Coin in Turkey and to Eastern European countries. The results of these efforts, which we have done, will be coming to you over time in the form of Bucks Coin success, inshallah. I hope everyone is excited after the most awaited announcement regarding Bucks Coin distribution. The process of distributing Bucks Coin has already been started from yesterday. So in today's webinar, I'll explain the distribution process and try to answer the hottest queries of the time. So today, we will talk about the method of distribution. We will discuss that in how many stages or in how many phases distribution will be completed. We will talk about the eligibility criteria to get coin released in first phase. We will learn about how to submit the KYC and how to fill up the Bucks Coin withdrawal request form. I will inform you of the schedule that when coins will be credited to your blockchain based Bucks wallet. And in the last, we are going to discuss that what is the future of Bucks Coin and what progress Bucks Coin has made so far. So you will find the satisfactory answer to all these questions in today's session. I would request you to listen seriously from beginning to end, because it's not only about getting the coins, but it is about to think and decide the journey ahead. It's our time to convert Bucks Coin into a lifetime opportunity. So before explaining the coin distribution policy, I would like to summarize Bucks Coin's journey in my own words. So before that, I just want confirmation. Can you please raise hands if you can listen my voice very clearly? Please, if you are, yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. So I can continue because everyone can listen me properly. Thank you for the support. So I just said that I will summarize the Bucks Coin journey in my own words. So you must have seen cricket matches, and maybe you have played at some age in your life also cricket. So here I will give you an example to relate with Bucks Coin. So please listen it carefully. Who have played cricket themselves will agree with me, and even those who have just watched will also understand that a batsman on the crease can't hit every ball for a sixer. Not even Chris Gayle. Sometimes He can take advantage of a loose ball to hit a sixer, but sometimes he misses it. In such a case, he has to wait until he gets a suitable chance again. Those who do not wait for the right ball often get emotional and get caught out on the boundary line. So if I relate this example to Bucks Coin, exactly the same happened with it. The way Bucks Coin got attention because of great promotion and excellent marketing by you guys, by all the people who were associated with Bits for Lives, it was a suitable time to launch the coin in the market and in the exchanges. And it was supposed that the unique utility of the Forex could lift this coin to the sky. But unfortunately, Bucks Coin could not make it happen at that time. Issues at the management level destabilized the company and pushed it back for almost 2 years. You all know what happened and how it happened. If you don't know, you should just find out. So, but after that mishap, the company was looking and working for a chance again, for which tireless work has been done in the last several months and continues to this day. Now that Bucks Coin is ready to be the distributed in the wallets, it does not mean it's a success or it's over. The distribution of Bucks Coin is a milestone actually, indicating that how far we have traveled in this success journey. Whenever we travel, whether by train, bus, or car, we often read milestone or boards on the highway sides. Those boards help us to know where we are now. Those boards indicate that we are getting closer and closer to the destination, because the boards tell us the cities, how far, how many kilometers. So the Bucks Coin distribution is also a milestone for us all. It tells you that you are not stuck. Your journey is not stopped with Bucks Coin. Your destination is not lost. Despite many difficulties and many problems, this journey towards success continues. And in my opinion, itself is a great achievement. I have conducted a research on the cryptocurrencies, and for the last decade, actually for 10 years, and I concluded that Bucks Coin is one of the best initial coin offering program. It's not a motivational statement; it's a fact. There have been almost 10,000 cryptocurrencies ICOs in the last 10 years. Few of them were real and still exist, but the majority of those were scams. Bucks Coin is one of those real coins which exist and progressing in the right direction in the crypto market. Uh, if we talk about 2017 and 2018, Bucks Coin was just an idea, but in 2019 and 2020, it became a reality. For example, Bucks Coin blockchain was created not only once, but the two times. The first blockchain was of basic level and was not fit to support future purposes. Then another blockchain was built by Japanese team, actually Japanese developers team, in collaboration with Ukrainian and American developers. And that's the blockchain we have today. So this is how a verbal coin came in the form of a usable currency. We have mentioned and discussed the features of this blockchain many times. But today I will just say that in addition to the speed and other advantages of this blockchain, this blockchain has the ability to create contracts and tokens like Tron and Ethereum blockchains. So this is a great feature as well in this blockchain. After the blockchain, the Bucks Coin team developed a secure wallet that is available on the Play Store and Google Store, and the web version can also be downloaded from the website. The wallet also has a cold wallet and warm wallet concept, and that supports DeFi contracts. As you know that they are grooming and day by day DeFi contracts, so this wallet also supports them. After wallet, Bucks Coin team got this coin listed on 3 different exchanges. I'm just sharing the progress we have done so far. This coin have done so far your coin have done so far. I am just want to give you a review, and it will take only a couple of minutes. So just please focus what we have achieved so far, so that you will understand what we are going to do next. So after wallet, Buckscoin team got this coin listed on 3 different exchanges, including P2P, B2B exchange, lot token exchange, and X-Rate exchange. And at the time of listing, all these 3 exchanges were in top 25 crypto exchanges. So now Buckscoin is accessible to buy and sell. Anyone can buy, no matter from which part of the world buyer or seller belongs. It's just like your coin is now part of an international exhibition, where anyone interested can make a deal with you, right? So after exchanges, Buckscoin got listed on the Coin Market Cap, which of course is the largest source of information about cryptocurrencies. Coin Market Cap is just like a newspaper. It's a big newspaper. It shows the current price of any coin, moment by moment fluctuations, the symbol, the total supply, the circulating supply, trade volume, and actually everything about coins. From the listing date to the performance report, everything. So Buckscoin was listed in the Coin Market Cap in February 2020. Now there is your 7-month history. The graphs are available on CoinMarketCap, that how Buckscoin started trading at the price of $1.25 and how reached $3 price and how went down to 70 cents. A real history graph is available there for the traders to understand the coin's future. Do you understand? The worth of trading graphs, it's like a track record that shows the coin's potential. The Buckscoin team did not rely only on the coin market cap. They listed their coin on 44 more crypto trackers. Besides the coin market cap, 44 more crypto trackers where Buckscoin details and trading data is always available and visible to the whole world. Some trackers are from the Swiss crypto market. Some are popular in Australian market. Some are popular in European markets. Some are popular in India, Pakistan. But most of the trackers are global, like World Coin Index, CoinGecko, CoinCodex, and many more. Now, let's talk about the utilities of Buckscoin, because without a superior utility, crypto coin has no future. The Buckscoin team has spent money, efforts, and energy to build the classical utilities, but unfortunately, they could not make it happen. Or actually, we can say that they failed every time in the past due to different reason. Uh, for example, the first utility was Cash Phoenix Exchange. The idea was to build the world's first crypto exchange with margin trading option. On Cashfnix, Buckscoin was supposed to be accepted as a mode of payment. Before the team could make it, other crypto exchanges, the huge crypto exchanges who have big resources, who have more resources, they copied the idea and they got successful too. This is irony. Later, Cash Phoenix had to deal with so many security and hacking issues, and now it is in security maintenance and is getting ready for a relaunch next year. The exact date we don't know, but next year it is planned to relaunch the Cash Phoenix with all the facilities as much as possible. So similarly, no other product from the BitsoLife platform has been successful that can be considered as Buckscoin utility. And Bucks Superstore was launched, but it could not attract the vendors or buyers. There were two reasons. Actually, main reason was two. Firstly, very few vendors joined this platform, and secondly, the prices on the Bucks Superstore were too high in comparison to other online stores, and so this project had to be kept in the cold storage too. Similarly, they have tried many other projects, but they did not work out. People who were holding Buckscoin for almost 2 years were losing hope. But as you know, Where there is a will, there is a way. The Buckscoin team eventually was successful in creating a world-class utility by launching a copy trade platform or social trading platform by the name of Moyo Trade. It's getting better every day. The design of this website, the software, the support, all are great right now. I think this product has everything, and success is just a matter of time now. I must say that being a Bucks coin lover, it's our least responsibility to understand and appreciate the Moyo trade. As of now, Moyo is the future of Bucks coin. Mr. Asif will shed more light on Moyo in a while. Before that, I'm sharing my screen with you to explain you the distribution process. I hope you can see my screen. Uh, yeah. So as you can see that as per the Buckscoin distribution policy 2020 and 2021, so there will be multiple phases. Actually, maybe probably three major phases, right? So the first phase has already been started from yesterday, and it will be completed in 2 to 3 months. In the first phase, the company is going to release the Bucks coin of the Bitsolive's users who just purchased during ICO and never earned a single penny from marketing. Remember that everyone who have Bucks coins in their Bitsolive's wallet or in Cash Phoenix, they will get their wallet in the new blockchain, and they will get their coins in the Bucks wallet. They can trade that coins, but first of all, the company is interested to release the coin or entertain the people who have who never made money with the Bucks coin marketing, right? So everyone should appreciate that, because this is the last layer. Anywhere in the world, the victims are always the last layer. In any scam, you can say people who are in the last layer, they lose their money, but people who joined earlier, they make money. So here this company, god forbid, is not a scam. This is a real company and making a progress, but this company has choose to deliver the coins to the last layer first, so they can make money first with this coin. And the people who make money with marketing, they are on the later stage, on the in the phase 3 and phase 2. So everyone with zero income can submit KYC within the next 14 days. If you will fail to submit in this time frame, you will miss phase 1 and have to wait for phase 2. So you can, as you can see my on screen, that from 15 to 30th October, the company will complete scrutiny to separate the eligible accounts, and from 1st November, the company will start transferring the coins to your wallets. The KYC process is required to claim your Bucks coin. It's a standard KYC pattern. There are 3 parts. Number 1 part is to complete the withdrawal request form. This withdrawal request form is available on Bucks Telegram channel, and you can download from there, right? And this is also available on the social media handles which are associated with the Bucks coin. I will explain them that to you later. So this request form is available on Bucks coin Telegram channel, and I will tell you how to complete this. In the request form, you can see everyone has to write first name. Where's my mouse? Yeah, first name, after that middle name, after that last name, after that ID card number or passport number, then date of birth, then your email address which is associated with your Bitsolive's ID, right? And there is a mobile number. The mobile number should be active. You may have a call, you may receive a WhatsApp, so just put the right and correct mobile number here. After, put your address here, your city, your state or your province, your country, and after the details about your Bitsolive's account, Bitsolive's username, BitsoLive's user ID, and total bucks coin. Maybe some people are worried about this, what I'm telling, that in phase one, everyone will get, but this phase one is only for the people. Just remember that. Please don't send incomplete applications, and don't send if you are not eligible actually, right? To save the time for the company, so they can complete this procedure very fast and can go for another phase. So in this form, you have to put your username, BitsoLive ID, and total bucks coins. You will see how many bucks coin available on your BitsoLive's ID. So this you will mention here. After, you have to provide the bucks coin wallet address. In next slide, I'm going to explain you that how you have to create the bucks coin wallet and how to copy the address. But this address, because this is a long address, so there's a chance to be if we are writing manually, there's a chance of a mistake. So you have to copy that address and send with this form to the email, right? After that, there is an acceptance statement. You can see there is acceptance statements where you acknowledge that, where user acknowledge that that I have given the money and now I am getting my coins into my wallet, and the price will fluctuate. I agree with that. You can read that. This is the acceptance statement. And after that, you have to write the date and your signatures, and fill up your sponsor or upliner name. Whoever is your sponsor or whoever is your upline, just put their name, so that company can, it is easy for company to understand the tree and structure, right? So have to complete this form. First of all, you have to print out this. Okay, print on a paper, no matter black and white paper or white print. Just take the print out and just fill it, and after put adding your signature, just again scan it. So this your withdrawal request form will be ready to send, right? Now I will tell you how you will get the address, because you need a bucks coin wallet address, right? So for bucks coin wallet address, you have to create bucks wallet. Bucks wallet can be downloaded from the buckscoins.com. And here you can see, when you go to the get started, you will just click here and you will be directed to the web wallet.buckscoin. And here you can create your account. When you will create account, you will get an activation email, right? The activation email will come to your inbox, but sometime, because this is just a new link, so this may go to the spam or junk folder. So just go to the junk folder, mark is not as a spam, and just click on the activation link. So you will have this your link. Similarly, when you will log in, every time you will log in, you have to give a one time password, OTP will also come to your inbox, or if this is not available in inbox, you can check your spam or junk, right? So when you will go log into your bucks wallet, you will go here on the downside. There will be two options, send or receive, similarly in any other wallet. So you will select the receiving address, right? So you will copy this address, and you have to send this with the email, right? So this is the second step. After that, you have to do another thing, which is a standard format nowadays. You have to provide a government issued ID or passport to prove your identity, right? But one more important thing is required here. You have to provide your picture by holding your ID and a piece of paper mentioning the date, your signature, and BitsoLive's bucks coin, right? You can see my screen. There is a sample. You have to take picture like this. Your face should be visible. The picture and the paper should be visible properly. And this step is very important, because this will help the company to make sure that someone not just used your ID in any unauthorized manner, but the real owner has claimed the coins. This process is very important, as after the coins are sent to blockchain, no one can revert the transaction. So in case some wrong person claimed your coins, you will be not able to get them back. So just to make sure this thing, company has introduced this type of KYC. They are sound a little hard, but they are very important, and this will make sure that real owner is claiming. Otherwise, we know that, in just 2-3 last days, people are trying to change the emails. They are sending requests to company, please change our emails, please change our phone numbers, please change our name. Understand? So this is not going to happen now. Company is not going to edit the database right now during this procedure. So this mean actually another people can try to actually can snatch the other's coin, right? So this will not happen here, and company will not let that happen, right? And also there is one important thing, and this is the last part of the KYC, that as part of your support for Buckscoin, company has made it mandatory to join Telegram channels for Buckscoin and Cash Phoenix, and to like the Moyo Trade Facebook page, and join Face Kindle also. This is if possible, I'll share my screen with you. Just a moment. Yes, if you can see my screen, I hope you new share. Okay, I'll share this. Yeah, screen, right? So here you can see my screen. You have to like this page. You have to like Facebook page. You have to like this. You have to create actually account here on Face Kindle, right? And you have to yeah, I'll go to Telegram. If you can see, yeah, okay. So here you have to join this this Buckscoin official Telegram channel. You have to join that, and you have to join the Cash Phoenix official. In this presentation, I have already told you the told you the links actually. Same, this is the Cash Phoenix link. Similarly, this is the Buckscoin link. So if you are watching this webinar, you will understand that, and you can see that here also shared the form also here. Form is also here. So this you have to done actually. You have to do this activity just to support the project, because in the last webinar I was listening, just founder of Buckscoin, Mr. MJ, he just told that when other communities come to our platform, so when they see there are a few people on the social media, they don't believe that this is a big coin or this is something great, right? Because when someone will come here and he will know that only 2,852 subscribers, because we have seen that many coins have millions of followers, they have at least 100,000, 200,000. But here we can see that not even our community is available here, right? So this is an important thing we have to do. So now that's all from my side. But I just want to confirm that Mr. Asif Nazir is now online or not. If sir, if you are online, just please send me a WhatsApp if you are online.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, thank you. So I'll just want to say a few words that everyone has seen the golden period when you people were promoting the Buckscoin. You were making huge money, you were getting international trips, and you were enjoying a luxury lifestyle. It all came to an end as the Buckscoin sale was closed in 2018. Today, there is another opportunity for you in the shape of Moyo. And this opportunity is not going to finish like the first one. This will continue for as long as you wish. The affiliate program in Moyo is superb and amazing. So now I just would like to invite Mr. Asif Nazir to explain this opportunity. But please listen to every word with attention. He is a person who has changed the lives of many people with his knowledge and determination. So please give a big hand and a big applause to Mr. Asif Nazir. Over to you, Asif bhai. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zile. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for joining this webinar. I will not take so much time, but I will try to explain you what was the purpose of today webinar conducting with you. So in first part, as Mr. Zile has explained you, so this is very much productive development as Buckscoin management has decided to enter in next phase. And the next phase is the Buckscoin distribution phase to all those investors who never earned any single income from Bitso Live and from Buckscoin. So this was very much important to before go in public market, you need to compensate to those investors. Actually, you need to give them good return to those investors who never earned from Buckscoin, and they have believe in BitSolive and Buckscoin, and they have invested money for 2 years in this BitSolive platform. Okay, so I think this is showing attention of the company, intention of the company toward the community, right? The people who has earned already money by the company, I'm not saying company will not give them anything. I think they will be biggest beneficiary of this business again, as they were. But the thing is, first of all, we need to see the ignorance part of this community. So those people who had patience, who has invested money in Buckscoin, who believe in Buckscoin, right? So this is the very, very right time to give them a return through Buckscoin. So as I will suggest you, a lot of leaders will be here, a lot of investors will be here. So I will recommend you to all of you guys. Okay, please you refer to your investor to claim their coin, and if you can help them to complete this process, okay, so it will be very, very nice. And I'm telling you, this will be big help by your side to your investor. Okay, so the distribution phase already Mr. Zille has explained you very well. So I'm not going to touch so much now distribution phase. So this presentation file which Mr. Zille was explaining you, so if you need that complete file to understand the procedure, so you can WhatsApp me, or you can WhatsApp to Mr. Zille to ask this file. So it is very, very easy process. So just do it like 1 2 3, and you can complete, and your people will start to get their coins, and they will start to trade in outer exchanges also. And don't worry about anything. If anyone do not know about trading, what we can do, we will conduct more and more webinar to help you, to teach you how you can do that. So we are here to provide you complete coaching about every step which is difficult for you. Lot of people are asking by me, so is it end of Buckscoin, or is it a start of Buckscoin? So a lot of people has this question in their mind, especially who are old members of BitSolive Buckscoin. So I'm going to tell you, this was the end of network marketing system. This is not end of Buckscoin. Actually, if you will ask by me about this phase, I'm telling you, this is very interesting phase is starting in Buckscoin, where you will learn more things, where you will earn more money by those sources where you have not earned, like exchanges, like utilities, like usabilities, like wallets income. So this kind of phase is starting in Buckscoin. So it is very much important to listen every webinar very carefully, so that if you will learn all these procedures, then you will be able to earn future money in Buckscoin also. Okay, so as long as you have Buckscoin with you, you will also earn money through the Buckscoin. But around it, the company has created the opportunities in exchanges, okay, of trading. So around it, company has created the opportunity of utilities of trading, like Moyo Trade. How you can earn money? So you should uh, uh, you know uh, try to learn how you can make money as a trader, how you can make money as an investor, how you can make money as a promoter, simply, right? So in every way, company is creating opportunities around the Bucks coin, so that it will bring more and more demand for the Bucks coin in the markets. And every platform is legitimate platform, international standard platform. And I'm telling you, so more than that, in technology side, company has done something extra which is not available in the market, like social trading, like social community platform of FX, of outer FX market also. So let me share my screen with you guys. So let me explain you the presentation of Moyo Trade. The people, a lot of people are not, you know, did not know about the Moyo Trade, how it will work, and what exactly it is. Okay, so as you people know, from day one, if you will listen this speech of Mr. Mohsen Jamil, if I would like to, share one video with you guys. The first event by BitsoLive, which has conducted in Pattaya in Thailand, this was the video. So here what Mr. Mohsen Jamil is explaining. So if you will listen carefully this 1 hour video, so clearly you will understand. So company is launching Bucks coin, right? And this will be the first coin ever in the market which will work around tools of the FX, which will work around forex industry, right? So if you will try to learn about forex industry as a layman.
Asif bhai, sorry, we cannot see your screen.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, now, thank you.
Okay, so as I was explaining you, if you will go in YouTube and you will find this video, you can write here Mohsen Jamil in Pattaya, right? So this video is available here, around 1 hour video it is. So pre-launch July 2017. So if you will listen carefully, whole this video, you will understand company is doing exactly that what company has planned in 2017, right? So in this video, the short of stories, Mr. Mohsen Jamil was explaining, okay, so Bucks coin will be the first coin in the market who will work around the tools of the forex, who will work around the utility of the FX. As companies fulfilling that commitment and companies looking that opportunity around it. So if you will see forex industry, so forex daily trade volume is so much huge, right? So this kind of volume is coming from this industry. So that is why companies also, as a financial company or as a technology company, is more excited to launch its utilities of Bucks coin in to this industry. Why? Because company know the worth of this technology, and this all business is happening with the combination of technology, with the combination of currencies, financial sectors, right, and with the combination of marketing. So this is how this $5.1 trillion volume is coming with the ecosystem of banking system, with the ecosystem of technology, which is meta codes, right, and with the ecosystem of uh, brokerage and marketing kind of thing, right? So if this kind of volume is coming from forex industry, and before that we have launched one our coin, and that name is Bucks coin into coin market cap, and here is around 7,275 cryptocurrencies. And in this industry there are 7,275 financial products, and the total volume is 117 billion US dollar. So as comparative to cryptocurrency, Bucks coin forex volume is bigger much than coin market cap or cryptocurrencies. So what company has done, company is created the combination of forex and the combination of cryptocurrency and the combination of technology. So this is how company wanted to work. And as you know, Bucks coin is just started here in coin market cap. It's not launched in coin market cap 3 years ago. It was just an ICO. It was just a network marketing coin up to 3 years. So it has seen the all goods and bad times of the market. When Bitcoin was at $20,000 rate, so Bitcoin Bucks coin was at launching phase. So when Bitcoin has crashed, so all the phases of cryptocurrencies has seen by the Bucks coin when it was in outer market, right? So just like an audience, you can say, right? But today Bucks coin is also listed here in coin market cap. So now company will focus as a Bucks coin community, and you will also will be focused around it actually. So two things company is doing. One thing is company has launched Bucks coin into actually crypto market, where crypto coins has been traded. There are three exchanges where is Bucks coin listed, right? One is P2P, B2B, and the second one is X-Rate, and the third one is La Token. So company has not started trade yet. So definitely, as company has decided to give coin to the people, so people can go in La Token also, and they can transfer their coin and they can trade there also. So in La Token also Bucks coin is listed. So what is my meaning to show you this thing? So company has started Bucks coin here. So company is not ending Bucks coin here actually, right? So company is starting its phase. So if you will go here, let's say if I would like to get the history of Bucks coin from this. So if you will see, Bucks coin has not spent so much time in this coin market cap sector or this outer public sector. It is just starting from here, and it has started at 24 Feb 2020. The first day of listing of Bucks coin in coin market cap, okay, was Feb 24 2020, right? So it was a start in coin market cap and its around business, right? So this is the listing of Bucks coin, and after that, you people know very well, corona time started, and all the financial market was very weak. So even then company has created the very good volume of every day. See the volume, everyday volume, if you will see the history, right? To before give you coins, company has created very good 6 month 7 month history here in this coin market cap, so that once you will take your coin and you will go in the market to sell, so you will get actual price by the market. So this is how company is working, and this is not end of exchanges, and this is not end of platforms in around coin market cap. Around coin market cap, what we need to do, our business model is very simple. Just like other coins, we are working tools around the coin market cap. Just like the important part of selling of coin or trading of coin is spot exchanges. So here you can see Binance, Coinbase Pro, and see the opportunities. How much big and how much number of platforms are available here, where we can list slowly, and we can sell our Bucks coin to those communities also. Every exchange has their own community with 1 million, with a 500,000 people, with 40,000 people. Every exchange has, and there are hundreds of exchanges available in the market who are accepting trading of cryptocurrency. Okay, so we will have very good opportunity in coming days. You will listen news, you will listen a lot of development around it. Okay, so company will target these exchanges also, which are available in coin market cap. And three exchanges is just a start of trading in the launching of coin market cap. So if those people who have big quantity of bucks coin with them, so they do not need to be worried. Okay, so few of their coins they will be able to sell here in these three exchanges, and few of their coin they will be able to sell in future exchanges which company will bring from the coin market cap. So this is the first model to sell our coin, to make a future of our coin in these exchanges, right? And these all exchanges are third party, has nothing to do with Bitso Life company, right? The point is, we need to follow the instruction of those exchanges, and we need to follow the policy of those exchanges. So that is why companies is also asking KYC by you, because according to the regulation, if you are giving any financial product to anyone, you should have KYC of that client also. So if any authority will ask by you, so you company can produce that document. But definitely it has some privacy, it has some confidentiality. It does not mean your KYC will be given to any other leader or to any other member. So that will be purely between you and between the company as a client. So what else we company has done for the bucks coin? As I was telling you, the else company has done for the bucks coin is Moyo trade. So what is the Moyo trade actually? Guys, listen, I'm telling you, if you will understand the Moyo trade, you can imagine yourself what will be the future of bucks coin, right? So I will take 15 minutes only to explain Moyo trade, how it is going work and what is going to do, right? So I have presentation of Moyo. So let me explain you this Moyo presentation. Okay, first of all, what is Moyo trade, right? Moyo trade is copy trading platform, right? So it's related with trading. First of all, this is the platform which is related with trading, because as Mohsen Jamil has committed to his communities. Okay, so I will give you this bucks coin in exchanges also, where people are trading their coins, right? So this is not extraordinary work by the company. Actually, this is an investment by the company, which company has done, and all coins are doing trading there in coin market cap exchanges. But what extra this company has given you as an opportunity, that is copy trading platform, which other coins do not have, right? So this is the totally innovation of Mr. Mohsen Jamil. So he is giving to this community to complement more financial value in this coin. So he is giving this copy trading platform. So if you will understand this copy trading platform, very easily you will understand what benefit you are going to make, what benefit other peoples are going to make by you, and what benefit is making bucks coin by this platform, right? So first of all, you need to understand what you can do this from this platform, and what benefit you can make, right? So in this copy trading platform, so this is the concept of social trading platform, which is found in 2019, right? So it is working as a fintech company, as a finance technology company, right? And from 2019 to until today, company has continuously developed this platform with the evolution process of technology. And today it is a kind of unique technology in social trading sectors, right? What is mission? The mission is Moyo Trade is technology product, as a fintech product, like financial technology product. Moyo Trade is, the mission is, every time around it, we need to create easy innovation for the client to enhance his business, to make better this product. So this is the mission, and that is why every week, every day, you can see companies doing something to make it unique. Just like I will show you front end of the website. You can see, just company has deployed this front end last week, and it is looking more attractive, and it is looking more user friendly, this platform. So what is the vision of this company related to Moyo? Vision of this company is, through this technology, right, company want to facilitate all those individuals, all those institutions, all those corporate clients, to facilitate, who are working around the forex trading, who are working the around financial trading. So company want to facilitate them through their technology. So this is the vision of the company. No matter people are trading in gold online through the technology, people are trading in commodities, people are trading in cryptocurrency, people are trading in indices, people are trading in currencies. So no matter whatever in FX industry people are doing, company want to facilitate them through this technology platform. Okay, so just need for your understanding purpose, what social trading platform revolution is, right? Here are the three parties, okay, but two most important party in this social trading platform. One is investor, right, and the second one is trader. Okay, let's say the people who are just investor, who do not have skill of trading, what they can do, they can build their portfolio. How they can build their portfolio? They can find top traders in Moyo Trade, right? So they can, once they will find top traders, just like for Facebook, as you are adding your friends in Facebook. So if you will find top traders in Moyo Trade, what you need to do, you need to copy your account, copy their account, okay, and you can build your portfolio. Very simple, just like Twitter, just like Facebook, right? As an investor, if you have invested money in any MT4, or in Cashfnix MT4, or in Moyo, anywhere in FX, right? If you have an invested money as an investor, so what you can do, you can find top traders in Moyo Trade, okay, they are making very very good income, that is why they are top trader, okay, and you just need to copy them, and they are opening trade on behalf of you, and your portfolio is getting multiplied, you are getting profits. So this is very very much easy, just like 1 2 3, right? The second part is trader, right? So if you are as a trader, so what Moyo can do for you, you have very very good opportunity to join as a trader, okay? Why? Because before that you are trading at your money, okay, at your risk, and you are making money, or sometime you are making loss, okay. But if you are very good trader, if you are making very good profit and you are confident, okay, so what you can do, you can join Moyo Trade as a trader, okay, and people will find you automatically as a top trader, and they will copy you. And once they will make money by your strategy, by their money, okay, so definitely you will be rewarded by the Moyo Trade as a revenue sharing, through revenue sharing program. So this is how the relationship of the traders and the investors will go on in the Moyo trade. And our trading products is forex, feeds all of those forex foreign currency pairs where people used to trade in forex industry. Okay, so we have available at Moyo trading platform. Then we have indices, then we have commodities, and then we have cryptocurrencies. Okay, so those people who are doing trading only in cryptocurrency exchanges, okay, so what extra they will get here? They will get commodities here, they will indices here, they will get forex pair here. Because if you are trader, you can understand very well, in every pair daily you cannot make money. So there are good days with sometime good days with the cryptocurrency, sometime bad days with the cryptocurrency. The same way, sometime good days with the forex pairs, and sometimes good days with the commodity pairs. So what you need to do, if you have available all those products in single wallet, so definitely what you can do, anytime you can trade with any pair where your expertise is or where you can understand the concept of taking risk and profit, so you can start trading. So with single wallet you can trade in all these products available in Moyo trading platform, so easily you can start. Okay, so why people are choosing this Moyo trading platform? A lot of people, I think, I suppose, here are Bucks coin people are most available, and they know very well. And lot of people are part of this Moyo trade also, because I'm not giving this presentation, but at least I'm just trying to give you the training. So all these things you people know very well. You can connect your MT4 with broker, a real-time execution, simple and free copy trading, trading signal, multi trading accounts, multi-currency accounts, like this. All kind of facilities Moyo is working on it, and Moyo is providing you. So Moyo investment plan is what two kind of actually work you can do here on Moyo. One is profit sharing, and the second one is fixed income plan. So first of all, what is Moyo profit sharing? If you are as a trader, okay, and you are trading here, and people are getting copy their trades by your account, so you will be rewarded 30% profit. So for example, if someone is following me and I'm making $1,000 for them by my trade, okay, in their account, so I will be rewarded by the company with the 30% of profit amount, which will be equal, which will be $300 around. Uh, Revenue plan from copy trading platform. This is just like a rebate, you can say. Traders compensation is $5, and the second compensation is 30% from profit, as I told you, right? So what is a $5 commission on every standard lot? Whenever someone will copy your trade as a trader, okay, so company will deduct $10 from your account, because you are trying to copy the strategy of traders of the company. Okay, so $5 will goes to the company, and $5 will goes to the trader. And if that trade will make profit for you, and a company will charge 40% from that profit, and that will be the, you can say, 10% will goes to the company, and 30% will goes to the traders. So this is how this ecosystem is working. And secondly, in Moyo trade, company is bringing very very exciting fixed income plan, right? So it is not network marketing plan, but it is related to FX fixed income plan. So three kind of slabs company have made. First slab is London fixed plan, right? So in this investment plan, one investment will start from $1,000 to maximum $5,000. And if you are coming in this criteria as an investor, okay, so you do not need to risk anything. What company will do, you are depositing this money to the company as an and you are becoming part of this plan, and you will be rewarded 6% per month. of your investment simply. So what company will do, company is actually tying up with hedge funds company in London, right? So this plan is coming out in this month also, so you will get all information behind this plan, behind this compensation plan. But what I am trying to tell you, this is very very, genuine fixed income plan which company is launching this month. So what company is doing, company is doing for forex trading through hedging funds, through expert traders, right? On behalf of you, and company is sharing 6% per month to the investors. And the second thing is New York fixed income plan, and it is starting from $5,001 to $10,000, and it will be 7% per month. And the third slab will be a Hong Kong fixed income plan, and this investment will start from $10,001 to $100,000 maximum. So 8% per month you will be able to get by the Moyo. So this is very genuine and fixed income plan is launching by the Moyo Trade in this month. So in fixed income, you will get what is the terms and condition of this fixed income plan. So first of all, this fixed income plan will have a 16 months contract, actually 16 month, 1/6, right? So if anyone want to cancel before 16 months this compensation, this package, so a company will charge 20% cancellation fees, okay, and company will return his money. So this is also part of you can say policy of this fixed income plan. And if you have signed a contract of 16 months, so up to 16 months there is a 20% cancellation fees if you want to get back your money. And if you do not want to cancel and you want to continue up to 16 months, so after 16 months you will be able to get your 100% principal amount without any cancellation fees. So this should be very very much clear to the leaders and to the investors also while you are giving presentation. So monthly trading output, the benefit is you are getting your output monthly, not principal amount, but output only you are getting monthly, which is 5% to 6% to 8%. You are getting monthly withdrawals by the Moyo Trade, and then you are getting 5% compounding interest also. So if you are compounding your investment, so you will be able to get 5% compounding interest also by the company, and up to 300% expected return. So once let the plan come out by the company on the system on Moyo Trade platform, so then we will explain you how 300% expected return you can make up in 16 months time. Okay. So commission structure in this fixed income plan is a direct sale income, networking income, and agent revenue. So how it will work? So first of all, let me talk about sharing profit income compensation plan. If you are introducing MT4 people under your team, so first of all, you can redeem your 20% bucks coin in uh, every package amount which is coming in your team, or which is coming through you. So this is the first benefit of sharing income plan, right? The second benefit is $5 per standard lot rebate you are getting from your first level of team, right? If your direct deposit, first level deposit will reach up to $25,000, your status will become master IB, right? So master IB will be able to get $9 per standard lot commission from each client trade of as per standard lot, right? So that means if you have direct client of $25,000, so around $1,500 monthly you will be able to earn as a IB commission by the company in your MT4 account. Okay. And then we will come to this networking bonus, right? So level one criteria is 50,000, $25,000, and as I told you, before $25,000 business, you will be able to earn $5 commission from your first level, right? And your upline will earn $4 from your working. And from level two, uh, if any of this downline qualify for master leader, meaning if you are here and this person is becoming master IB, and he will earn $7 and you will earn $2 by his network, by his downline. Okay. And if we will goes to the 3 level, so if this will become master IB, so he will earn $6, what you can say, per standard lot, right? And he is giving to his upline $3. So $1 to his this upline, $1 to this upline, and $1 to this upline. So simple thing is, what I want to tell you, so from your direct downline, you will be able to earn $5 per. After $25,000, you will be able to earn $9, right? So then, from your second line, easy to understand, you will be able to earn $2, and from your third generation, you will be able to earn $1 per standard lot. So this is a short which I can explain you, rather than more going more technical. And then we are going to jump in the commission structure of fixed income plan. So in fixed income plan, you are also going to get a direct sale incentive, leadership pool incentive, and then Moyo 60 by 40 rule also. So what is direct incentive plan? uh, Anyone is bringing any X amount investment by his direct downline. Okay, so he will be able to redeem 10% bucks coin as an upfront he can have. Let's say you are bringing $10,000 account under you. Okay, so $1,000 you can use your bucks coin. And then uh, 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 actually we have created 4 different pools up to you know uh, 12 months to give you this pool incentive. So how it will works, I'm going to explain you here. We have implemented 4 different pools for our top producers. All 4 pools contains 0.5% to 2% of the total turnover produced in the company each month through our agent tree, right? So let's say your team is very much active and you are bringing new sale, and if you are bringing in pool 1 $15,000 to $50,000, so that means you are coming in pool 1. If you are bringing, or your team is bringing up to this kind of sale, so then you that means you are into pool 1, and you are going to get 0.5% of the overall trading deposit, right? So whatever deposit is coming, 50,000 deposit is coming, or $20,000 deposit is coming. So if you are in pool 1, so you will be able to get 0.5% from your downline from each deposit. So if you are into pool 2, so from $50,000 to $100,000, so you are becoming in pool 2, and you will be able to get 1% of the overall trading deposits. Meaning, if your downline is depositing, no matter through compounding, or no matter through new deposit. Okay, so if they are depositing $100,000 monthly, your downline, so you will be able to get 1%, that is $1,000 every month. Okay, so pool 3 is $100,001 to $250,000. So you are going to get here 1.5% monthly. from the deposit, from the new deposit. And in compounding, you people know very well, every month people will do compounding. So let's say if they are getting rewards of $100,000 under your downline, so 40% will goes to the compounding, which is $40,000, and from $40,000 regularly you are getting income of 1.5% or 0.5%. It depends how much new sales also your team is bringing. So this is how this pool system will work. So if your downline is bringing the sale up to 500,000, so maximum you will be able to get 2% of overall trading deposit. So this is how your 3 generation program will work in the system. This rule is very much easy. Increase your income by helping your team to grow. 60% amount you can get cash, and 40% you can deposit in your trading account. Let's say whatever X amount you are earning as an investor or as a upline. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to in cash 60% of your amount monthly. Okay, whatever you are earning, and 40% you can say reinvest, or you can have in your trading account. Okay. And if this 40% amount and plus new sales amount will decide to make your percentage criteria of this leadership pool bonus. Okay, so let's talk now about the facility platform of the Moyo. As you people know very well, one platform we have here is copy trading platform. This is the platform. Okay, so if you will go in Moyo login, so a lot of people know how to hook up account and how to copy the trades. So all things you people know very well. And the second thing which company has launched is related to Moyo, that is CRM. So what CRM is doing here? So here a client can see his all the details related to commission, buying, selling, everything he can see related to trader, related to as a client, as a IB back office, you can say. So this also company has launched, and you will be able to buy your package after 1 month from Moyo CRM, fixed income plan package, or MT4 package, or a simple MT4 investment. So you will be able to do from Moyo CRM directly. And then company has added more features also around FX. What are the feature? Price alerts. So you can set price alerts with any pair in Moyo platform in trading area. It is very much easy. Okay, so it will give you notification on your email when whatever bid or ask you have set in price alerts. Then company has added Moyo Signal, right? Why Moyo Signal? As I was telling you, this is a social trading platform related to Forex. Okay, so company is bringing every stakeholder or every component of Forex in Moyo trade, and trying to give Forex people at one-stop solution, you can say. So as a lot of people wanted to become trader, they are not good trader, but they wanted to become trader so that they will earn 30% from profits of the people. Okay, so what company is facilitating to them? Company is offering them Signal also. So if any company is here who is providing Signal, so you can bring that company also, that they can provide Signal. Okay, in both way people can come. If you are interested to get Signal, so you can come in Moyo. If you are interested to give Signal as in a company or as an individual, so you can come on and join Moyo. So this part is also not ignored. And in starting phase, a company has launched this Moyo Signal feature also. And this face kindle thing is very much interested. Okay, so a lot of people in starting are not interested to give signal, to get signal, what you can say, they are not interested to become trader, they are not interested to become investor, they are very much confused. Okay, so if people are giving you presentation, if you are giving presentation to someone, and if person is confused, what you need to do, tell him simply, you join Face Kindle as a free product, just like Facebook. And once he will come on Face Kindle as free member, so what he is going to get, he is going to daily get a daily update of Buckscoin. He is going to get daily update of Moyo Trade, Trader, around the forex market and around the crypto market. And as you know, company has launched every single product around Buckscoin and around forex industry. Okay, so once he will understand the model after 1 month, after 2 months, because he is part of the Face Kindle community, so automatically he will decide, right? Because in network marketing, what happens, your upline is deciding what you need to do with your time and with your money. But what Face Kindle is offering to people, actually you need to decide what exactly you want to do. Okay, as an investor, as a trader, whatever skills you have, you want to develop inside you, or you have the skill inside you, you need to decide in which sector you want to work. And simply that you will be able to decide with the passage of time. Okay, so what I will recommend you, as a marketer of this project, as a promoter of this project, you people should bring people on Face Kindle, because you are main promoter of this platform. If those people, if common people or investor people or business people or forex people will start to come here in Face Kindle, they will start, they will decide according to the product, according to the attraction. Either they should be become investor, they should become trader, they should become signal provider, or they should become crypto trader. Let them to decide what they exactly they wanted to become. So this is how this business is going to get work. Okay, so one thing we are going to start from this month, also related to Moyo. So we will have every weekend two presentation. In Saturday there will be presentation in Hindi and Urdu language, only related to Moyo. And in Sunday, okay, every Sunday, we are going to give presentation of Moyo in English language also, and we will try to make our presentation more and more better also in these slides. So that what you can do, we will give you advanced link on our pages or on our Face Kindle platform, so your people can join our platform, our webinar. If they are understand the Hindi or Urdu language, so they can come to get presentation of Moyo Trade at Saturday. And if they are from English community, they can come at Sunday and they can join this webinar and they can get presentation. And I will recommend you as a leader also, in starting two, three, four presentation, you should also join each presentation, so that you will be able to learn how to give presentation to the other peoples. Okay, and plus you can invite your investors or traders and whatever community you have around you, you can invite them to listen this opportunity also on every Saturday or on every Sunday. So this is all which was from my side. If anything I missed, so I think Mr. Zille is here, so he can give me the reminder. Otherwise, it's done from my side. Yes, Mr. Zille. I think he is not here. So thank you very much to listen me. So what is my opinion for you for this month? Claim your coin. If you have not any zero income account, So what you can do, you can suggest to claim coins to your teams or people around you who are in your team, and they have zero income account. So then later on, don't complain on us. Okay, so our people are cursing us, and people are not able to sell coin. So once they will get their coin, so definitely they will be able to sell their coin on exchanges. So they will be able to trade their coins. So this is how company has announced already, and you should help to your downlines also to redeem their coins for the exchanges, and you should help them to redeem their coins through Moyo Trade platform also. Okay, and then the second thing which I will recommend you to come on the presentation of Moyo on every weekend. This is my personal recommendation for you, because Moyo is very good opportunity for the future. As much as bigger future will make Moyo, the bigger future will bring for the Bucks coin. This is how this ecosystem is built up, right? So as much as Moyo will bring business from the market, so definitely Bucks coin will be try to create the history again, as Bucks coin has created the history through the network marketing. So thank you very much to listen this webinar. I'm signing off.